So this is Sam Alexander with Skuid, and as some of you guys may know, Skuid is a native UX application for Salesforce. It allows you to build highly customized applications for Salesforce without having to write any code. But what a lot of people actually don't know is that you can use Skuid to connect data from your other external platforms using either REST API or OData back to Salesforce, and you can interact with that data within the applications you create using Skuid. So for example, if I wanted to view my SharePoint invoice data from Sign Energy within Salesforce, I've made that connection using Skuid, and I can now visualize it using Skuid visualization components. I can view invoice data from SharePoint side by side with committed revenue data from our opportunities object within Salesforce. I can view our invoices in a line item format within a Skuid table component, and as you might expect, if you've seen one of these before, you can do inline editing and you can do mass updating, and any changes that you make to the records here are going to update in these Skuid visualization components in real time. And not only are those going to update in real time, but if we were to hit save here, it's actually going to write back into SharePoint in real time. So Skuid's giving you the ability to read, write, push, pull data to those external platforms you've connected, all without having to leave this great user experience you've created using Skuid and Salesforce together. Skuid can also connect multiple Salesforce orgs together. So an example of that, one of our great clients, GE Oil and Gas, has multiple business units, and they were able to connect all the Salesforce orgs across those business units together to create one central sales process across the entire organization. That's been really big for them. We've been glad to be a part of that transformation there. Another example of a tab you can totally overhaul using Skuid is a standard opportunities tab. So whether that be through custom filters you create using Skuid, or using a Skuid GeoShar component to drill down into a particular region of the United States to find the records only related to that area, you can find the data that you're looking for and interact with it seamlessly all within this page. You can even take a table component a step further and put in a details drawer like this one, and put in a tab set that allows you to click across all the various objects related to that particular opportunity record, and you can interact with those on this page, making changes, additions. And in the same vein as the external data connectivity I mentioned earlier, you could even do something like connect your SAP or Oracle products data to this tab within this table within this page. So Skuid's a lot like Legos. What you build is going to be different than what I build, and what you build is going to be very dependent on your business needs, particular business use case. And every business is different, so we're just empowering you to do that. Figure out what works best for your particular business. So I know we covered a lot of stuff in this. Is that really just touching on the core capabilities of Skuid? But if you guys want to know a little bit more, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to give you a more in-depth demo on this stuff.
Yeah, I could imagine that. You guys could actually demo for hours on end because it looks like the possibilities are virtually limitless. Number one, I got to say here that I like seeing that you're native in the Lightning interface, and the types of visualizations that you have in there are a person's like myself who really likes looking at things in different ways. It's like an amazing dream, and yet I could imagine that I'd get lost in the data in a sense because I'd be drilling into it in a million different ways. But that is just fantastic that you guys offer the Lego toolkit here, that you can put it together in so many different ways with components, being able to drill into this, having the column headings that change colors and all that kind of stuff. I mean, that makes your data speak so much more than simply having it sitting there on the page. And so I'd be amazed to see what I could do with this, and the fact that there's no lines of code behind it is really slick, because I know Joshua could do a lot of this kind of stuff, but the fact is he doesn't have to because Skuid is out there. So I think the time has come. We have a winner, and without the other sound effects, I'm going to do a little... Our winner today for the August Demo Jam 2016, Skuid. Sam, you are the man. You've got the Skuid winner for the Demo Jam for August. Congratulations.